Suppose b is a positive constant greater than 10, greater than 1, and ABC is defined as below. So we have to use these values to and the properties to give the answer in terms of A, B, or C. So we are given log of 11 over 5 with base b. Log of 11 over 5 with base b. So log of a over b, we know it's log of a as in the numerator minus log of denominator. And log of 11 is already given as c, and log of 5 is already given as b. So this is c minus b. Part b is log with base b of 0.6, and 0.6 can be written as 0.6 can be written as 6 over 10, 6 over 10, and 6 over 10 is nothing but 2 times 3 is 6 and 2 times 5 is 10, and the base is definitely b. Again, log of numerator over denominator is log of numerator minus log of denominator. So log of 3 is nothing but a, and log of 5 is nothing but b. And for part C, again, we are going to write log of numerator minus denominator as log of numerator minus log of denominator. So that will be log of numerator is log of 11 minus log of denominator, which is 5 square. So that will be log of 11 minus 2 times log of 5. Log of 11 is c and log of 5 is b. So this is c minus 2b. And finally, the value of 11 over 81 is going to come as log of 11 over 81 is log of 11 minus log of 81. So log of 11 will be 11 will add as it is. 91 can be written as 9 square. So log of 11 will become c. And let's see, log of 9 is given. Not really. Log of 3 is given, so that's not a problem because 2 comes down. This becomes log of 9, and 9 can be written as log of 3 square. 3 again comes down. 3 times 3 is 4, and log of 3 is given as a. So this becomes c minus 4a. We just box up all the 4 final answers. So this is D, this is C, and this is B, and this is A. Thank you.